In the dead of night, a masked thief roams the city. Silent, clever, patient. The raccoon, a creature of shadows and secrets. But here's the mystery. Before it eats, it dips its prize in water, as if cleansing it or baptizing it. Scientists call it dowsing. But for centuries, humans saw it as ritual, a washing of sins, a trickster's rite. For the raccoon, touch is everything. Over 2/3 of its brain is wired to its paws. When wet, every nerve comes alive. Sight deceives, smell distracts, but touch tells the truth. The raccoon does not wash its food. It reads it. To ancient peoples, the masked creature was a water spirit, half thief, half shaman. Its fingers moved like prayers. In every culture, there is a trickster. Loki, Anansi, Coyote. In North America, one wears a fur mask and steals our food. Biologists tested the ritual. The result? The raccoon was not cleaning food. It was amplifying sensation, awakening hidden textures. When faced with puzzles, raccoons solve them with unsettling ease. Locks, latches, even mazes. Their masked minds remember for years. Once creatures of rivers and forests, raccoons have colonized our cities. Where humans thrive, the trickster waits. In trash, they find treasure. In waste, they find wisdom. And still, the ritual continues. Dunk, feel, taste. We think they clean. But in truth, the water is a mirror, revealing details invisible to us. To watch a raccoon is to see a creature half in myth, half in science. It studies as much as it steals. 67% of its sensory brain power runs to its hands. Wet fur on its fingers magnifies touch like 1,000 eyes. Make no mistake, it is not about hygiene. What enters its mouth is no cleaner, only better understood. In backyards and alleys, the ritual continues. Bird baths, puddles, fountains. Every pool becomes an altar. Do they see themselves in the water, or only the food? Perhaps both. The thief and the trickster, one and the same. Sometimes it is not one raccoon, but many. A midnight choir of masked faces, performing the same mysterious rite. Like us, they wash, but unlike us, they do not seek purity. They seek sensation. In folklore, the masked figure always steals, always tricks, always leaves us wondering if it is animal or spirit. Is it hunger that drives them, or habit, or something older? A ritual memory etched into their blood. From birth, the ritual is taught, not by words, but by mimicry. One generation of tricksters teaches the next. Perhaps it began at rivers, when ancestors fished in streams. Touching, feeling, learning. A behavior fossilized into instinct. For the raccoon, nothing is off limits. Curiosity is not weakness, it is survival. Water does not wash. Water remembers. To the raccoon, every ripple whispers secrets of the world. In our streets, they adapt. In our trash, they feast. In our mirrors, we see their mask and maybe our own. Their hands unsettle us because they look like ours. Fingers too human for a beast of the night. Studies show their memory outlasts even primates. The masked trickster remembers and waits. So next time you see a raccoon dip its food, remember, it is not washing. It is touching the world's hidden language. The raccoon is not just an animal. It is the masked trickster of the night. Forever washing, forever watching. Subscribe now, before the trickster steals this secret from you.